This bird solved the problem even smart engineers couldn't. Japan's bullet train was so fast that every time it entered a tunnel, it created a loud boom that sounded like an explosion. People living nearby started complaining, and engineers tried to fix it, but nothing worked. Until one of them noticed something unusual, a kingfisher bird. This bird dives into water at high speed without making a splash. So they copied its beak design and reshaped the front of the train. And just like that, the boom disappeared, fixing the problem. Subscribe for more content like this.